what is the key for a business with an advocacy to succeed?
Speaking from personal experience, you have to love what you do kasi hindi madali magnegosyo. Ang dali, nagtrabaho ako before sa private sector and hindi ko alam, minsan tinatanong ko pa rin yung sarili ko, bakit ako nagnenegosyo ngayon? So, hindi siya madali. So, you need to have grit, you need to have determination, and you really have to love what you do na hindi lang siya pera at the end of the day. Kasi gusto kong ipakita yung different side of Mindanao through the beautiful weaves and through the beautiful traditions that we have.
At paano mo natutulungan ang local weavers? Siyempre, source mo sila, bumibili ka doon. Pero minsan, ang fear ng ilan, nako, yun ang naaabuso. How are they protected?
Ang aking partnership po with our partner communities, number one, sila ang nagsiset sa price.
Yun.
So marami kaming pinapagawa ng mga custom weaves kasi since we do our own designs, or meron kaming mga kulay na preferred talaga. So yung kahit pa 1 metro lang yan or 100 meters, ang presyo ay dinidictate or siniset ng aming partner weavers and partner communities. So,
About the core of OTOP, which is to reflect the culture ng isang community. I think it is very important to identify, of course, yung product identity mo. You as an MSME, ano yung identity nyo, ano yung cultural identity, 'di ba? So, siguro from there mag-root yung ano yung pwede nyo magawa as an MSME. And of course, you always ask for help. When you start, you ask for help. Kasi nandun tayo sa starting point. So, and doon na mapapasok ang DTI. And then, isingit ka na yung OTOP, of course, is really there to help you.